Welcome back mga kasama ko ni Radyo Manrans Barbarona og doon na tayo bisita karon na speakers linya mga higala makakapanayam po natin si Santa Rosa City Representative and Quadcom Co-Chairperson Congressman Dan Fernandez. Welcome po sa Straight to the Point. Congressman Dan, good morning.
Hi, good morning Renz at sa lahat ng mga nakikinig sa'yo.
Yes po, maraming salamat po sa panahon. Straight to the point na tanong. Kong, ano pong masasabi nyo sa tugon ni FPRRD sa imbitasyon ng House Quadcom sa hearing mamaya na di siya makakadalo?
Unang-una, we are asking yung presensya noong lawyer because kailangan i-enter muna niya yung kanyang appearance doon, being the authorized representative ng ating pong former president. And we did ask them in the last hearing, and hopefully the presence of the lawyer must be there, no? This morning. Yun ang unahin muna natin.
What's your next move or ng House Quadcom kung sakaling sa susunod na imbitasyon wala yung lawyer ni FPRRD o mismong si FPRRD, posible po ba siyang ma-cite in contempt?
Hindi mo na siguro. We will be asking siguro yung mga members what to do with the with the appearance of the lawyer, because I remember nagkaroon tayo ng motion that have him to be present in the next hearing. Kasi hindi naman natin ma-verify kung itong mga pinadadala nila is totoo, no? And at least malaman po natin from the hostess mouth kung ano talaga reason why the former president is keep on snapping the Quadcom. You have to remember na umattend po siya sa Senado, and we are expecting also that he will be attending to us as well.
Yes, Kong. Kong, posible bang maapektuhan ang investigation nyo sa House Quadcom kung hindi dadalo si FPRRD?
Actually, may mga punto naman kami na nakita na sa Senado, especially yung mga admission doon. And I think it will be the right time for the president, the former president, to say something about it and to clarify everything. I think, alam mo, magandang venue ang asahan sa kanya to. It's going to somehow say something about what he delivered and manifested in the Senate. But unfortunately, yung hindi niya pagpunta ngayon, this can be construed by other members as evasion of those that we testified in the Senate. Actually, sa amin, there are things that have to be confirmed, especially sa mga testified niya, but there are a lot of questions also that wanted to be asked by the members. Ang dami like example, doon siya kila Walter Padilla, sa WFL Colony, kung sa amin namatay na tatlong mga high-value target. And it was, mentioned by Warden Padilla that the former president called him to a certain, I think, Jimmy Partolesa, or I forgot the name of that one handling the cell phone. So, this is a question that needs to be validated.
Okay. Di ba daw pwede maging basihan na lang, sabi ng netizens, Kong, yung sinabi ni FPRRD sa Senado sa nagpapatuloy na investigasyon ng House Quadcom?
True. That can be used as our validation of... Ang maganda nga po doon ay, of course, magagamit naman po yun sa Senate, but of course, there are some question and queries of other members as well. Ako, basically, if you're going to ask me, there are 3 or 4 mga questions na I wanted to ask the former president.
Yes.
And to make it more clarified on my part, yung mga lingering questions that still nasa isipan po natin. But kung hindi naman siya makakarating, it's a matter that the members will be discussing on what action will be taken.
Ilang oras o minuto mula ngayon kung magsisimula ang Quadcom hearing? Ano ang aasahan ng publiko dito, Congressman Dan?
Well, actually pag-usapan namin unang-una sa dangerous drugs. Yung Matrix and yung kila Jimmy Guban, at other personalities that are involved. We have invited also some may mga link doon, and after that yung EJK.
Oo. Latest update na lang po, Congressman Dan, sa progress ng hearing na ito po.
Today we will be filing yung tungkol dun sa mga corporations at mga Chinese nationals na bumibili ng mga properties natin. I-criminalize ito, and under our constitution, these are all illegal. But we will be supporting that with the bill that we'll be filing today.
Okay. I understand, Kong, na preparing na kayo sa hearing this 9:30. I won't hold you up, Kong. Thank you so much for your time. Until next time po.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Atong hinabi mga higala si Congressman Dan Fernandez, mga kasama ang Santa Rosa City Representative, ingon man ang co-chairperson sa House Quad Committee.